How to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you want to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on site settings, then click on pop-ups and redirects. And here, as you can see, the pop-ups and redirects option, it has a toggle next to it that's turned on. So click on that toggle, and once you do that, you will see that the pop-ups and redirects are now allowed, which means they are activated and enabled in Google Chrome. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate and turn on pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.